Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Access Expression Builder. This powerful tool allows you to create custom calculations and formulas within your database forms, making your data more dynamic and functional. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Access application and load your database. Wait for the software to fully load along with all your data before proceeding. This ensures everything is ready for you to work with and prevents any potential errors during the setup process. Once everything is loaded, we'll begin using the Microsoft Access Expression Builder by clicking on the Create tab located at the top part of your screen. This tab is your central hub for all the database creation tools you'll need. From here, look for the Form Wizard option and click on it. The Form Wizard simplifies the process of creating forms, which is essential for implementing the Expression Builder functionality. Now we'll create a form that will utilize the Expression Builder. In the Form Wizard window, start by selecting the tables you want to work with from the drop-down selector. Next, you'll see available fields on the left side. Add the fields you need to your form by clicking the greater than button in the middle. Keep in mind that you can add multiple fields to your form wizard, so select all the ones you'll need for your specific purpose. Once you've configured your fields, click on Next to move forward. You'll now be prompted to select a layout for your form. The options presented include columnar, tabular, datasheet, and justified. For this tutorial, choose columnar as it provides a clean, organized structure that works well with expression builders. Click on Next to continue. On the following screen, enter a descriptive name for your form that helps you identify it later. Under the Form Design option, select Modify the form's design using the radio button. This gives you direct access to customize your form further. Once that's set, click on Finish. With your form now created, it's time to implement the Expression Builder. Select the specific field where you want to use the Expression Builder by clicking on it. When you do this, you'll notice the property sheet on the right side of your screen automatically adjusts to show the properties for that selected field. This property sheet is where all the magic happens for customization. From the list of all properties displayed, locate the one labeled Control Source. Next to Control Source, you'll see a small three-dot icon. Click on this icon to open the Expression Builder window. This is the interface where you can create your custom expressions using the elements, categories, and values provided. Take your time here to build the expression that matches your needs, whether it's a calculation, a text combination, or any other formula. Once you've configured your expression to your satisfaction, click on OK to apply it, and there you have it. You've successfully implemented the Microsoft Access Expression Builder in your form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.